and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be exploring a new section of the SEMrush tool known as gap analysis. So far, we have covered domain analytics, keyword analytics, projects, and marketing insights. So this is the fifth section, which can be found in the SEMrush tool. And just like any other section that we've explored so far, is going to be extremely helpful as well. So we're going to see how it works and what it possesses and how exactly can it help you optimize your marketing process. But before that, I would like to say that I hope all of you are in good health and that you're taking good care of yourselves, both mentally and physically, and that you're listening to the medical experts and you're practicing social distancing and washing your hands regularly. If you're not, please try to do your part, because this can be something which can only be overcome if all of the humanity, we take positive actions collectively. So that was it. And without further ado, let's jump in. So we have gap analysis to explore today, and the first part of gap analysis is keyword gap, and apparently it's a new tool which has been introduced by SEMrush for the users. So we're going to see how it works. Okay, so a tool that helps you do a full analysis of your keyword with keywords of your competitors. So this is a keyword research tool, and it allows you to see how you can optimize your own keyword research and keyword marketing strategy while keeping in view of your competitors' performance and which keywords they're using and how well they're doing. So let's just say that we can add our own domain here. So it's labeled. We can add our own domain here, and then we can add up to 4 competitors. So let's just say that we're going to use the same example of ebay.com. Don't judge me. Okay. And then we're going to use Craigslist like we did last time. Oh, so if you click on the bar, it allows you to see some of your top competitors to make it easier for you to choose from. So okay, we're gonna go with Amazon.com to see how it works. And then we can also select the region for which we want to see the keywords for, because you see, keywords can differ mostly as compared to other SEO strategies, which are usually implemented to keep while keeping a global outreach in mind. For keywords, you have to sometimes observe and implement some variations in order to target a specific locality or a specific audience. So we have US here, and we're going to click on compare to see how it works. Okay, so what are organic keywords? Then we have paid, then we have PLA. All right. Okay, so here we have the results. We have top opportunities. The missing keywords are these. Keywords for which the U domain doesn't have rankings, but its competitors do. Okay, so these are the keywords. Missing keywords are the keywords which cannot be found by our domain, or are not being used by our domain more specifically, and these are being used by your competitors but not you. So if we were ebay.com, assuming that we're ebay.com in this example, missing keywords are the keywords that we aren't leveraging but our competitors are. And then we have weak keywords for which the U domain ranks lower than any of its competitors. So this allows you to see which keywords you should be integrating and which keywords you're using but they're ranking lower than your competitors. So that is extremely helpful, that is useful, and that is something that you should know. That is something that your SEO expert or anyone who's dealing with a keyword research or keyword implementation should be aware of. So here we have all keyword details for our domain. We have shared, we have missing, weak, strong, unique, and all keywords. Okay, so we know about missing and weak. We have strong keywords for which each of the research domain has rankings. So these are some of the most shared keywords by all of our competitors or domains, which can be considered our contenders. Then we have strong keywords for which the U domain has better rankings than any of its competitors. So this is a really interesting section. It can help you understand a glass half full, half empty kind of situation, because then you can understand in which areas or which keywords you should continue to use and which keywords you should try to adapt to in order to optimize your ranking and visibility and whatnot. And then we have unique keywords for which the U domain has rankings but its competitors do not. Okay, so this is interesting. You can also see your positive points, but you can also see your negative points and work on them to enhance your marketing strategy when it comes to keywords. And then we have all keywords for which at least one of the research domains has ranking. Okay, so we're gonna move on to unique to see that if we were ebay.com, which keywords would be beneficial. Okay, so we have PayPal login, Caravana, eBay Motors, Facebook sign-in, and there are a lot of things right here that can be described to associate with our domain. And then we have some other things as well. Right beside the organic keyword section, we're going to move on to paid and see whether it's any different than other things. Apparently not. It's kind of the same thing. Organic, paid, and PLA, they're all showing similar results. So these tabs might have a different role than we expected. Coming back down to all keyword details, we're going to select our competitor that we inserted previously. We're going to choose Amazon.com and see what details do we share with them, the missing, the weak, strong, unique, and all keywords and everything, so we can understand how exactly or how far behind are we if we were ebay.com. Okay, so we have volume, we have KD, we have CPC, we have competitive density of advertisers using the given term for their ads, and we have results. So this is extremely useful, you guys. This is extremely beneficial for someone who's devising a keyword research or keyword marketing strategy for your brand, because they can use it to understand the competition, but they can also use it to optimize their strategy and see what are your strong points and work on them accordingly. So this was the first part of the gap analysis section known as keyword gap. You can use it to understand your own keyword strategy